Welcome back, collectors, to another episode of Kerry Collects. In today's video, we have one of my favorite rips. We have 23-24 O-Pee-Chee hockey. We are going to get 10 cards per pack, 18 packs per box, and we're looking for hobby exclusive 1-of-1 gold rainbow foil board parallels. Here is a look at the odds if you'd like to pause and take a look at those. Honestly, we are just looking for Connor Bedard. We're looking for anything short print of Bedard. We just pulled the marquee rookie, just base of Bedard. So honestly, anything. Retros, short prints. We just want Bedard. That's what everyone wants. So I think we should dive right into this. I had such a fun rip, my first box. I'm glad I got more. All right, we got Elias Lindholm, Kakkonen, Rust. We have a Clayton Keller, All-Stars. We have a blue border of Dylan Dubé. And you just got to remember on the back of these, if they're like a blank back, I think that's a 101. So just always check the back of your cards. Got JVR, Sabanajed, Corrali. Got a marquee rookie of Milos Kelemen. Hey, Tyson Forster, that's not too bad there. 24 out of 350. Very nice to Tyson Forster there. We'll just move him to the side. That's one of our numbered cards. We've got Barrett Hayden, Retro, Ekblad, Zekas, Zadorov, and Zub. Got Mark Kastelik, Kempe, Ryan Hart. Hey, we got Will Cooley, marquee rookie. And we have a black border there of Neil Pionik. We'll put Cooley right beside Bedard. Ooh. Good. Okay, black border. I was going to say, is one of these... oh, it's numbered as well. Sorry. 38 out of 100. Daniel Sprong. Retro. Josh Anderson. Drysdale. Garland. Darcy Kemper. Drouin. Ooh, we have a Blackhawk there. Got Tim Stützle in a playing card. Got Radish, Trenin, Amen, Bouvellier. Got Mitch Marner. Behind the playing card, Dave Gust. There's just so many variants, right? So you just got to be careful. We got Ty Kartai, marquee rookie. We got Jacob Markstrom, blue border. Travis Hamonic, Terry, Kokanemi, O'Brien, Olmark, and Josh Norris. Got William Eklund, Justin Schultz, Noah Dobson. Got a marquee rookie of Aiden McDonough. We have a blue border of Nikita Zadorov, Damon Severson, followed by more base. Got Kirby Dach, Paul Stastny, Ryan McDonough. Got a Rasmus Dahlin, All-Stars. We have a black border here again of Derek Grant, numbered 30 out of 100. Put it with our numbered cards. We got Jake Allen, Retro, and more base. Luosterainen, Hayes, McKinnon. We have a playing card here of Patty Kane. We've got Josh Morrissey, All-Stars. Got a rookie of Sean Farrell, retro rookie. Kostin, Lucas Reichel, Backstrom, and Barzal. Got Barkov. Looks like we have a checklist here. Petrangelo. We have a premiere of Ilya Sorokin. Dylan Larkin. And a rookie of William Dufour. Followed by another checklist. Just full of checklists. All right, what a weird pack that was. Okay, give us like a green border, purple border, some pink border, whatever they are. Yamamoto, Gorgiev. We got Pavel Minutunov. I had him in my fantasy. He's actually was doing pretty well. Got Jake Gensel, Henry Yokiharu, William Carrier, Laud, Slavkovsky, and another checklist. All right, we got Ben Chariot, Gensel, Zach Aston Reese. We have Clayton Keller, O-Pee-Chee Premier. We have Uvis Bolinskis, Marquee Rookie. We have a retro of Max Pacioretty, JJ Peterka, Zegras, Liljegren, and Nicholas Hague. We got Nicholas Waugh, Jack Eichel. We have a playing card here of Moritz Seider. Hey, we pulled a Devin Levi, Marquee Rookie. Very nice there, Devin Levi. Got Kevin LeBlanc in a retro, followed by more base. Got Johnny Gaudreau, JJ Moser, Boquist. Got Marc-Andre Fleury for the Wild in a Premier. Jiri Patera, Marquee Rookie. Anthony Bouvellier, retro. More base. We got Juuso Valimaki, Oshie, Dursey. What do we got here? Cole Gutman. It's the wrong Blackhawk. Oh, we have another Blackhawk here. Kevin Korchinski. Just a Blackhawk pack. Give us one more. Imagine if they're all Bedards. Brady Shea. Followed by more base here. We got Andrew Kopp, DeMello, Dumba. We got an all-star of Ilya Sorokin. Isaac Lundstrom. I'm honestly just looking for Blackhawks on every bottom right corner, so I can't just... I can slow roll it a little bit. Looks like we got something red here. Thomas Novak, Spurgeon, Seider. We got Alex Ovechkin All-Stars. Give us another Ovi here. Nope. Nick Dowd, red border. We have a Taylor Hall retro. Arvidsson, Schneider, Stone, and Tuck. All right, these are our final two packs. If you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, please hit that like and subscribe button. Our channel's just been growing like crazy. I appreciate everything you guys do for the channel. And let's just pull a Connor Bedard right here. Roman Josi, Linus Ullmark, All-Star, Jordan Greenway. No Bedard in that pack. But we have one more pack. Evan Bouchard, Yanni Gord, Andrew Peak. All right, and we have one of those top rookie, I think it's like a bounty card, puzzle bounty. We'll take one of those. We got a Brock Faber, Marquee Rookie, very nice there. And we have the Patrick Kane retro. All right, well that sums up another break for Kerry Collects, a 23-24 O-Pee-Chee. Thank you guys for tuning in. It's been a blessing. We'll get Connor Bedard next time. Thank you so much.